Everyone, so now we are going to study about how to make a SSH setup with the QNX. Okay, so last time I told that we are not able to take SSH connection with our Raspberry Pi board, right? Now I find a way to use SSH with QNX. So I am going to explain that how you can remotely connect our setup and then how you can pass a file from SCP by using SCP or WinSCP from your system to target machine. Okay. So first you need to add an .sh file after flashing the images into your SD card via using Raspberry Pi imager that last video I showed to you. Then again you connect it to your laptop. Then inside that SD card you create one as just create a .ssh file. This .ssh file will help you to connect SSH connection with the Raspberry Pi. Okay, and we already mentioned that you need to add your Wi-Fi password and the SSID in WPA supplicant config file. Okay, then you just use RP-A tool. Then you can identify the IP address of our Raspberry Pi or in your system. If you enter IP this ARP-A, then you will get what are the different networks is connected to interfaces are connected to your device. Okay, sometimes our IP address will not get via if config. It will show dynamically or statically creating. Okay, so once then use SSH command tool to get the connection with the QNX. So that time it will ask you to create any key generations and everything. So you allow them to. Okay, so if they are asking password, then you need to use the password utility to change the password of QNX. Okay, QNX target password utility. Then you can change the password. Then that password you can enter while you are trying to connect via SSH. Okay, so that videos I will show you how we are connecting. And then you use WinSCP application. WinSCP application you can use for binary files to push the binary files from your Linux machine to your target. Okay, so these are the different things. Now I will show you the demo. So I just want to show the ARP-A. This is an address. You will get the IP address and MAC address of the Wi-Fi as well as Ethernet. Okay, so that complete information you will get. So now I will show you how to connect and everything. Okay, first we will identify the IP address of Wi-Fi card and Ethernet. So you can see that from if config command, you can see the IP address of this is 169 is our Ethernet cable address, and 192 is the our Wi-Fi card IP. So I am going to change the Ethernet cable IP addresses to static. Okay, so that is a symbol only. We can use if config command and genet t0, and we need to just set up that IP address. Okay, so for that time if config. So I am setting to 77. Okay. So then we can verify by if config command only. Okay. We can connect SSH via Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi IP address, but I am just setting static address. Then we are using that for SSH communication. Okay. So SSH QNX user, then at we got the IP address 192.168 and 1.18.77. Okay, this is the you can see the this is address is I already given here. Okay, statically setting. So now they are asking key generation, and the keys we given the yes, then it will create the password we need to create. Okay, that password you can use the password command. If they are asking password and you don't know about password, you need to create a new password. Okay, for that you need to use password utility. Now I am opening my workspace. Okay, QNX 804. I want to transfer a file from our user space. Okay, our laptop to target. Okay, top one is the our on the laptop, and below one serial minicom is the target. Okay, so I have created a two executable files for message synchronous protocol transmit and receiver and server. Okay, the client and server. So I just want to push those executable file to our target. So for that, how we can use that, how to transfer. So we can transfer via SCP or WinSCP, right? Both are same only. WinSCP is in we can use in Windows. SCP also is in another tool for file transfer. So executable files will generate inside ArcLE. Okay, here you can see a message. See, this is the my executable file. Okay, so here I created inside BCM2711. I created MSS GC folder, and I just added the same configurations. I just changed the names. Okay, here MB box instead of MSGC I created. Same, just copy, and inside I just change the names. Whatever mbox is written, I just change it to MSGC. Are replaced with the MSGC and the MSGS for server program. Okay. Now I am trying to pass that file to destination. Okay. Our target address is 192.168.18.7077. Okay. Then I try to pass, but it is okay. I just enter in the message, but I want to verify with before that I want to verify check which folder I want to transfer, right? So I am planning to transfer var. Okay, then I am just checking that path for var, then pwd command you will help. Okay, then slash var. Okay, then I am entering that slash var in here in our cp command. I don't know, some issues there, something it is not working. SSH not able to connect. Then okay, yeah, our not message on the file. Okay, our is message C file, right? So we should write message C. I think this time it will work. I think permission denied. Some permission issues happening here. I don't know. Let's check permission. I think user has no permissions. Okay, now we will use the WinSCP. Okay, WinSCP we can use. We will start a new tab and IP address 192.168 dot 168 dot 18.52. Okay, and what is the username? QNX user. Okay, password. Your password. Okay, I enter root. What happened? We will try it more than 2-3 times now. Yeah. Mm. Okay, we will try another one. Okay. SFTP or FTP? I think FTP, right? Oh, SFTP only. Okay. SFTP 192.168.18.7. Okay. Next user password. Okay. Let me try. Why? This is not working. Yeah, last we go to your login. So this is our target. Okay. So you can see everything home page. Okay. What happened? Reconnecting. Yeah. So you can see home page, everything is there, bootstrapped, and then bin files. Okay, bin is okay, fine. Then home page, nothing is there. Only this one. Where is variable? So this is how you can connect with the QNX. Okay. I don't know. Suddenly it is not responding. Mm, oh man, multiple. How many users are the root? Is there user one, user two, user three, user four, five, six? Okay, homepage. Homepage, nothing is there. Okay, a root page. What you can see. Okay, I think no access permission. Okay, user one, no permission. Then what, man? We don't have permission for anything. Okay, leap. No. Okay, user six, no permission. Okay, so I think I'm passing this signal, these two files. Okay, I have copied message C and message S. So I am passing to our target. Okay. Mm, yeah, message C is passed. Message S also passed. So why inside? Okay, inside data only you have access. Okay, this is where folder. Can I put in here? Permission denied. That's why we couldn't pass by SCP. Okay. Only inside data. So why where is not we can't access where? Okay, we need to change we need to give the permissions. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now we can check. Now we can check in a target. So what is our target number? 192.168.30 52, right? 52. QNX user accept password. Okay, now in I am target. Then let me check. Yeah, messages here and there both are there. I am giving permission. We open two terminals. Okay.